kitchen cupboard and the cooker's sorted. That took much longer to do than I thought. As I said yesterday, I'd made a list of 3 things and I thought I'd do them before we went out. And it's now almost tea time on the second day. So the next thing is to fit this shelf. So just a bit of a background. When we decided the other week that we'd wallpaper the downstairs toilet, Lynn had just one roll of a really nice Lauder Ashley wallpaper. So we tried to use that and we just didn't quite have enough to do the room. But we decided we'd push on, and then Lynn said I could do something creative with a bit that we couldn't do, which is in the corner. So this shelf is part of it. So I've cut this shelf out and I'm going to make it look like a live edge shelf. Now I have got room for another shelf, and I've got this oak here that's been there for ages, and I'm wondering whether I can do something with that. So I'm going to try and be creative. Wow, I think we're about halfway through the pile. We've got enough. Let's see what Lynn's up to. She's stacking as I'm splitting them. That time we've stacked this one up. And how's the big ones, Gracie? Let's go have a look at the front of the barn. Somebody wanting a tea? Somebody wanting a tea? Wow, not sure where we'll stack the rest of them. So. Wow, I'm glad that's done, but we've got a lot of firewood. We've got a stack there. Probably some of it needs splitting. We've got that area there's full. We've got the big pile at the front of the barn. And And we've got all this in a terrace. So it was quite hard work, was that, but I think it's taken us 2 days. But we saved nearly €600 by having it delivered like that, rather than having it cut to size and chopped. Happy to put in 2 days work for a €600 saving. Lynn's just tidied up the final bit now. We're going to put this sawdust, amazing how much sawdust you create, chainsawing all that. We're going to put all that on the flower beds as mulch. A few sticks to sort out of it as we do that and rake it up, but other than that we're done. So that means I've got one more job to do, and then it's Christmas. Yay! Well, it's actually one more job to do before our guests come. And disaster. That's my last cup of Yorkshire tea. I am getting special delivery. Take my big heavy boots off. Hello Gracie, are you playing out with your mum? No, you can stay there a minute. So my next job to do, and a little bit embarrassingly, is to fit this box in that corner. This area here is what we call the squareway. You can see it used to be an archway and we didn't like it, so I've been slowly filling it in. And it's one of them jobs that gets done in parts. I've probably been doing that job for 3 years. I actually made that box in the small loft workshop, and actually I think nearly all of this has been made in the small loft workshop. The cupboard doors down there, but I've still got a cupboard door there which I'll probably be making over my Christmas holidays. Then the idea is there's some more cupboards in here on this side, in the kitchen side, but I'm not going to get that done now, but I want to get that fixed and get them skirting boards. Once I've fitted that box, I'm officially done for Christmas. Well, that's it guys for this show. Thanks for watching, and by the time I edit this video it'll probably be Christmas. So from Lynn and me and little Gracie, have a great Christmas guys, and see you next time. Bye!